What's the time?
4:24.
Okay, cool. 4:30, we gotta leave. It rained last night or 2 days ago, and then it turned into snow. So all the snow's sticking to the trees. It looks really cool.
I know.
We did not get all of our stuff. We're only going out with the one sled because we're gonna fish the morning bite by the shore. It's already light enough to fish. Holy, look how deep that is. That almost went past my boot. Look at that. Oh my God, I hope the lake's not like that. If the lake's like that, we got a kilometer walk. We're cooked. Yo, Daniel, don't step in here.
Oh.
It's like soup in here.
Stay on my track, bro.
Oh my God.
And tread lightly.
Brutal. Got on the ice. It's like 3.5 inches black. And then a layer of slush on top that froze. Make our walk a lot easier. We're gonna start here by the boat ramp first. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I have 3. Bro, you look so Russian right now. Dude, just blind jigging. Dude, on the chair, bro.
Well, if only I had the shopka, bro. I was debating if I wanted to bring it, but it's so
What are you using?
Let's see.
Oh, that's a lot of work to reel up. You could have just told me, bro. It's like probably 40 feet here.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. I actually don't even know how deep it is.
Oh, you got the Simcoe rig on there. Yo, let's check this out. Let's check this out. You got the, dude. You got more hardware than weight on there, dude. Holy shit. Holy cow, like this. Dang.
I feel like electric could be well for that.
We're assembling the Smitty sled, and we came back and our flag's up.
What's he did today? The leader? It's a pipe. Oh no, it's a nice walleye. It's a nice walleye.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice walleye.
Oh, it's a walleye? Yeah, that's pretty good, bro.
Nice.
Okay. Hold it up real quick.
That's a good one.
Started.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, let's put it back. Oh,
Oh, there you go. Good.
We're ready to bounce.
yes, sir.
Honestly, yeah, it's not that cold. It's not even that windy yet.
We are here. It's pretty, but we'll have to keep anything we don't want snow get snowed in. We have to leave up there.
Yeah. Oh, that's what we can use the tarp for.
We're just gonna sleep on the snow. We're gonna see how it is the first night. We were gonna start a fire to dry out the ground, but it's gonna have to be like the biggest fire in the world.
On me already. It hit my face.
Where?
I don't know. It hit my face right here.
There isn't no.
Waiting out the snow. Dude, do you like your little chili slushy? Can I see it? Can I see your chili slushy?
It's not brown anymore, the snow. After like 7 scoops.
You're getting the most out of that chili, bro.
Yeah, you bet, bud. You bet.
Dude, that looks big. That looks big. Let it do its thing.
It's in 30 feet.
Holy smokes. Yo, watch out for the top hook, eh?
Yeah, you gotta take that top hook off after. Oh, it's something huge. It's something huge. Huge walleye, dude. Huge walleye.
Oh my god.
Yeah, take a 30-inch walleye.
Alright, you got it.
If you can.
It won't go up?
Yep.
Let's see. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, that's it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to get it up. Oh my god, dude, it's huge. It's a big fish.
through a 6-inch hole screen.
Dude. Holy smokes. I see his head, it's huge.
Oh, he's wanting to come up.
Oh my god. I thought the hook caught on the ice. Oh my god, dude, you're barely gonna get it up the hole.
Yeah, you have to get rid of that top hook.
You really do.
I'm scared to like reach down because
Okay, he's going.
he's lip hooked.
Dude, you got it. You got it.
Oh
my god. That's such, it's not even long, it's just so fat.
Fat, what the heck?
Dude, barely hooked.
Dale, do you see how lip hooked he is?
Yeah.
Dude, barely hooked him.
Whoa.
I'll get it out right now.
Yeah, I gotta get up.
Get it quickly before he freezes.
Nice fish. Turn the back to me more so you can see the fish better. The back, turn it to me. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Nice fish, dude. Sick angle. Okay, you can put her back.
Yeah, hold on, like this.
That looks good, man. Nice. Alright. That's a good fish. Look how perky he is, too.
Yeah. Oh, straight away.
Nice. Dude, that's sick.
Damn, bro.
Nice. There's a coyote running across the lake over there. It's big, like really far away, and it still looks big.
It's a nice walleye, bro.
Yeah, nice. Oh my goodness, yeah, that's a nice fish. Another mid-20. Nice fish.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice photo.
Nice walleye. That's probably like,
rough estimate, like.
yeah, I don't know. What's that scoop go to, 18? Maybe 20, 21?
Oh yeah.
Oh, she'll be good. Nice. Nice job. We need coals. We need coals. Dude, it's a pretty bussin' fire, dude. Holy.
That's pretty big.
It's pretty good. Look at those logs I split. I feel so good about those. I put this guy on top. This was in the pile over there by the tree of like the rotting stuff. And look how long the snow's lasting in that fire. That's crazy. Anyways, hopefully it dries out. Yeah, we'll wait for coals and the glizzy's gonna be busted. Can't wait for some glizzies.
Actually,
I like that they're tight. It keeps me warmer.
I need to fucking take them out. Get my foot out.
Alright.
Short.
So this is right now from 11 p.m. So right now, this is a weather warning for strong winds up from 80 to 90 kilometers an hour, west winds, and that there's like outages possible. Another one, this is also for 11 p.m. today, like right now, so tonight or tomorrow morning. Frontal snow squall is expected. Snow squall warning. So gusts of 70 kilometers an hour. And it doesn't say how much snow, but it says snowfall reducing visibility to near zero.
Oh. Cool.
Fuck, we're gonna have to really dig out your car tomorrow, or after tomorrow.
Good morning. Today is the shortest day of the year. It is 6:50 right now, and you can start to see a little bit of daylight poking through. Oh, it's so nice to see sunrise after being cold all night.
Doesn't feel big. I need to be a keeper for Daniel.
Oh, a little guy.
He's gonna get hooked. Yeah.
I got pliers. It's been a really slow day now. It's almost sunset and it's been dead since. It was a whiteout this morning and now it's bird blue skies. Fish probably don't like that. So we're gonna pack it in. Play Tetris to get all this in there. Alright.